If you're facing the call failed issue on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. In the Control Center, just open the Connection section. Now just make sure that you're connected to the internet. After that, just tap on the airplane mode and turn it on. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on it and turn it off. And by doing that, you will do a quick network refresh. Now, if this did not fix your issue, just go back and in the Control Center, just tap on the focus mode and turn it on. And from here, just check if Do Not Disturb mode or any other focus mode has been enabled or not. If any focus mode is enabled, just tap on it to turn it off. Then go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if this did not work, then just try the next method. For that, just remove the SIM card out of your iPhone, then insert it back in. Also try to use another SIM card because sometimes the issue can be in your SIM card. But if you're using an eSIM, you can skip this step. After that, just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on About. And from here, just wait for 30 seconds to a minute. And if you have a carrier update available, a pop-up will appear on the screen asking you to update the carrier settings. Just tap on Update and update the carrier settings. After that, just go back. And under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update. Now from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. But if this also did not work, just go back and under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and from the pop-up menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset Network Settings. Now by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the network settings of your iPhone. Now if you're facing the call failed issue with a single contact, then go to the Contacts app and select the contact with which you are facing the issue. And from here, just make sure that the contact number which you have entered is correct or not. If it is incorrect, just tap on Edit. And from here, just enter the correct phone number. Just like that. Then tap on Done to save. And by doing that, you will fix the call failed issue on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.